Marmorino Palladino is a low-sheen, lime-based, medium-grain marble plaster used for creating a variety of stone finishes, from old-world distressed looks to contemporary smooth finishes. Marmorino Palladino Stone Effect. You will first need to apply the Meoded quartz primer. Watch the primer video for proper application. Let the quartz primer dry for a minimum of 5 hours before adding plaster. Apply the first coat of Marmorino Palladino with a stainless steel spatula. Cover the entire surface in a smooth and even fashion while maintaining a wet edge. Work in square yard sections, pulling excess material from one yard to the next. Clean all the extra plaster off with the trowel, creating a thin, even layer. Wait for it to set for 15 to 20 minutes, depending on the temperature. Check for lines. If lines are visible, prepare to smooth them. Rub the surface with a damp sponge in a circular motion to ensure an even coat. Allow at least 12 hours to dry. Apply the second coat of Marmorino Palladino, not too thin or not too thick, but keep the consistency throughout. Go over the surface with a trowel, smoothing it and removing any excess material. While the second coat is still wet, take the trowel and stamp it across the surface immediately, pulling up the material. This creates a rough texture. Cover the entire surface. Wait for it to set for 10 to 15 minutes. After the surface is 80% dry, lightly smooth over just the top of the texture with a trowel. Not too hard or you will close the texture. Clean off the trowel as you go. Allow it to dry for a minimum of 12 hours. Sand the surface using 280 to 320 sandpaper grit. Once sanded, be sure to clean off the dust with a clean rag. Choose any color Velour glaze and dilute it 4-part water, 1 part glaze. Velour glaze is a water-based clear glaze that's made to penetrate interior and exterior plasters. For an antique look, add color. Unlike acrylic paint, which penetrates evenly, the Velour glaze penetrates unevenly, creating a variety of depths and yielding a unique antique look. Start light and then add darker shades as you go. On larger surfaces, it's recommended to apply a coat of clearer Velour glaze first, diluted 1 part glaze to 6 parts water over the surface before you apply the color finishes. This seals the surface, giving you more time to play with color. Otherwise, the color will lock in immediately and make it unchangeable. Marmorino Palladino Stone Effect is an easy way to transform a wall into an old-world stone effect, adding warmth and beauty to any exterior or interior space.